Okay, let's look at H. H, you have this roll accent thing that's already happened a few times in this piece. And then you have a long roll at I. The biggest challenge with this long roll, in my opinion, is the sound quality of it. Playing a roll for this long that's supposed to be open and beefy sounding and loud is hard to do. So what I do is I just squeeze and I use my arms to help me with the roll to keep it in time, and I just try to keep it going and not think about how tired I'm getting, because you will get tired during this section, especially after playing all this other stuff at this speed. This is like practically at the end of the piece, and now you have to play this big beefy long roll. Hopefully a lot better than I just did it. So let's try playing it at that speed. We just have to play 4 beats of it. So this is the 8th note. You got to play 4 beats of this for 4 measures. So 4 measure long roll. 1 and 2 and ready and go. And. Alright, let's try it again. The roll starts on the E. 1 E and 2 E and 1, 2, ready and go. And. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stop. Alright, so when I say the roll starts with the left hand, that means it's on the E. 1 E and I'm not sure if you did it that way, but you ended up starting the pulse with your left hand on the beat, so you got to make sure it stays on the right hand. Let's try it again. 1, 2, ready, go. 1. Alright, you're already slowing down. I don't really care if your roll's sloppy at this point, just try to keep your hands in the correct time. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and stop. Alright, that was good, that was it. And then we have the next measure. Let's do the first of those two. Let's try that. 1, 2, ready, go. One, two, ready, go. One, two, ready, go. Ready, go. Okay, and then the next measure is 1, 2, ready, go. Two, ready, go. So let's try doing those two measures together. 62 and 63. 1, 2, ready, go. And then it does repeat itself, but we don't have to do that right now. All right, good.